The JBL PartyBox 310 is a large battery-powered speaker with circular RGB lights. It has a slightly boomy sound profile suitable for a variety of music. It has a bass boost feature to add even more thump and punch. And you can customize its sound to your liking using the graphic equalization in its companion app. So you are in the right place if you want to learn more about what PartyBox 310 has to offer. My name is Maddie, and in this video I want to share with you my personal experience of using this device. Let's start. My speaker arrived in a thick cardboard box which I was sure would protect everything inside. The smaller side of the package displayed the company branding and unit name, while the bigger side had more elements. It shows us a colored image of the PartyBox 310, some details, and of course the JBL branding again. There was nothing much on its exterior, so I immediately unboxed it. Since styrofoam protects everything inside, you don't need to worry about damaged products during shipping. And aside from the PartyBox 210, here are the other items you will find inside the box. So the first thing is AC power cord. So the AC plug varies by region. Quick start guide, warranty card and safety sheet. So let's talk about its design. The JBL PartyBox series is getting a new addition to the 310. JBL has made some tweaks to their light show and added more colors, but they are still sticking true to what people love about this lineup of speakers. The ring lights around its drivers change hues based on your preference, or you can follow along with them from your phone via Bluetooth connection or tap out whichever color buttons. The JBL PartyBox 310 portable Bluetooth speaker is a sleek and modern speaker, emphasizing color and making the body more vibrant. In addition, the black uniformity of the device makes it easy to place in different locations, while still maintaining its beauty. The PartyBox 310 is designed to be more durable than the 300 and has an easier to use hull handle. The speaker weighs 38 pounds compared to 35 for its predecessor, but its extra weight helps with sound quality, so it's worth lugging around. The most notable updates to the JBL PartyBox 310 speaker are that it now has built-in wheels and a retractable handle. This will make transporting the 38-pound speaker much easier to carry around than its predecessor. An IPX4 rating isn't a strong waterproofing, but it will get the job done. You can keep anything more than splashes away from this device, and you're okay standing next to the pool with it on. The speaker features is a groove on the top side, perfect for setting your phone while you're streaming music, which I like. A first glance at this control panel might overwhelm you since it looks complicated. However, it's user-friendly since you only need to press a single button for each function. On its rear, you will see different dials with many functions. Again, it can get puzzling, but fortunately JBL categorized this into labeled sections. Press the play button twice to skip to the next track, or press 3 times for the previous. If you use a micro guitar, the speaker sports volume knobs and gain adjustments. You can use these to dial the equalization of your choice. It also has a straightforward karaoke setting for toggling external input off or on. If you aren't satisfied with the power offered by a 240-watt speaker, then consider buying another and connecting them without wires or using an aux cable. That will give you a complete stereo pair that can cover just about any room in your house. With only MP3, WMA, and WAV support on USB ports, there is a bit of limitation for those who wish to play music through this method. Also, an eye-catching dynamic light show that moves to the music will mesmerize everyone at your party. There is a setting for every mood with delicate pulsing and strobing effects. So it's time to talk about battery life. The JBL PartyBox 310 has a fantastic battery performance. It allows for over 18 hours of continuous playback time before needing to be charged, and charges in just under 3 hours. In addition, it enters standby mode after 20 minutes without any operations, so you can avoid wasting power when the speaker is not being used at all times. However, your real-life experience may vary depending on how much music you play with this device. So JBL PartyBox application. Not bad. The JBL PartyBox 310 portable speaker can make any party more fun. It's compatible with the JBL PartyBox application, enabling you to manage your music in several ways. This includes changing the uplighting color and pairing it with another device for stereo sound. If necessary, you can also sync multiple Bluetooth speakers. You can use the karaoke functions to fully enjoy audio quality since it features controls and DJ effects. Various events can benefit from the adjustable bass and echo treble settings, which enhances sound quality. JBL provides a rich bass in their speaker system, and this model doesn't disappoint. It has two 176mm woofers to offer the best audio quality possible. It also comes with an additional mode called Bass Boost that works well without being too overpowering. Even at higher volumes, I notice how well JBL maintains balance, allowing for brighter mids and highs while controlling lows. These were enough to prevent muddiness during louder passages. It's similar when you have plenty of control over all its features. Their functionality should allow listeners to enjoy themselves without worrying about audio becoming muddled too quickly. I enjoyed music even at maximum volume. However, bass-heavy music and tracks with plenty of percussion can get muddy when played at high volumes. The PartyBox 310 is an impressive speaker that delivers loud, high-quality audio and making it excellent for parties. It has a unique feature that allows connection-compatible speakers to make your party more fun, and its portability makes it even better. I enjoyed using this speaker during my tests. For this JBL PartyBox 310 review, it delivered loud, bass-boosted music that wasn't overpowering, which was excellent for outdoor parties. It also features an option called Bass Boost, which will provide even more of these sounds. So whether you need this at your next party or are looking for something convenient because it runs off one 12-volt battery, then look no further than JBL PartyBox 310. Let's take a brief look at unboxing of this speaker. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe to our channel so you can find a host of features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.